Good afternoon, everybody. Hope everybody's having a great day. And everybody had a great week. So we're going to get right into it this week. I wanted to talk about deductibles this week. And this is something that is important to everybody, because whether we have homeowners insurance, auto insurance, or really any type of property insurance that we're talking about, we're going to have some sort of deductible. And I think in light of what's happening with prices going up and a lot of people maybe seeing premiums rise because, as we found out with everything, cars costing more, raw materials costing more, the cost to have a claim, right? And whether it is an auto accident or if it's a homeowner's claim, it's costing more and taking more time than it would have 18 months ago or 2 years ago. So that in turn increases premiums, and a lot of people will be like, okay, what can I do to help that? And this is one thing that we could talk about, or in general to say, hey, something to think about, right? So we're going to talk about kind of what is a deductible. A deductible is basically what you're responsible for. In that claim, you're going to be responsible to pay X. So if your deductible is $500 or $250 or $1,000 or more, you're going to be responsible for that. So if there's a claim, and the claim is $10,000, your deductible is $1,000, you're going to get $9,000 and you're going to pay $1, right? So a simple way, an easy way to think about it is, in auto, we have really two deductibles, right? We can have a comprehensive or a collision deductible. They don't really have to be the same, right? You could have one be one and one be a different amount, based on that. And, a homeowner, up until recently, a lot of times there would be just one claim, one deductible amount. Now, other than just maybe a wind and hail claim, other companies are you're able to kind of pick your deductible based on the type of claim that it is, right? So what does this mean for you? How could you use this to your advantage to think about, okay, how can I save on my insurance premiums and still be properly protected? Because that's the most important thing. Basically, if you were to ask me, what do I think, right? Obviously, the higher our deductible, the lower your premium is going to be, right? So I tell everybody, and a basic rule of thumb with me is make that number as high as you can afford and can stomach, right? So just because you can afford a $10,000 deductible or a $3,000 deductible, maybe in your stomach, I don't really want to be responsible for that much. So you got to take, okay, what am I responsible for to what, or what can I stomach to what can I afford?